Alright crew, so today we are trying to make a bed for the 55 guys. I went and got a big old piece of birch plywood from the big box stores. These are my designs that I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna cut strips in the middle. See how this turn out. Alright, let's get into it. Get my guide. Alright, so we're back inside the garage, guys. So basically now what I need to do to this panel here, this piece of birch, as you guys see, I cut the grooves in it. Well, actually, Count's helped me cut the grooves in it. Now we're going to go ahead and slightly sand this, and then we're going to go ahead and put a stain on it. And I already test fit it. I actually had to put some end pieces on it just so to fit nice and tight as I put some penny nails in there, tighten it up. So we'll sand that, and I'm show you the brace here that we made so it'll sit up off the cab. And I've already stained this here. I put my supports very sturdy, okay. So only thing we got left is to go ahead and start sanding this birch here. And I still have to cut my 16 gauge pieces that will, I'll show you here, show you an example of one. This slots, if I can get this. This will slide right down in the grooves just like that. And we'll paint these blue, alright? So let's go ahead and start doing a little sanding. So of course I want it a little light, so the more of the stain that you put on, the darker it's going to get. This is the underside of it. I always do that first, and then I flip it back over, and I probably put 2 coats on the other side, but I just put 1 coat on the underside. I'll let that dry for about 30 minutes and I flip it over. Alright, so we got these tops painted. Now we'll go ahead and put these steel strips into the birch wood that we stained earlier. And then we'll go ahead and put us about 2 or 3 coats of clear. We'll sand it down and we'll put some more clear on it. So we'll see how the bed turns out. Look real sharp. Alright, so the only thing we got left to do is put clear on it. But since it's kind of late in the day, we're going to go ahead and start this video. I'm going to pick it up first thing in the morning. Alright, crew. So, hey, it is the next day. And we're going to go ahead and finish up the truck bed. We got 2 light coats of clear that we're going to put on the back of this bed here. And first, I turned it underneath. I turned it over so we can go ahead and do the bottom first. We'll put, like I said, 2 light coats. And one thing that I use, just a trick or trade, I always use automotive clear. It lasts longer, it's more durable, and then it'll take a beating. So we're going to go ahead and get right into this video, guys. We don't got much to do today, but we will put 2 light coats, or really 2 heavy coats underneath the floor. And then we're going to let that cure. I'm going to let it cure for a good like 2 or 3 hours. Then we'll come back and then we'll turn it over. And then we'll go ahead and put like 3 to 4 good wet coats on top. So let's get into it, guys. Alright, crew, so this is it for this video, man. I try to make it short and sweet. I put about 5 coats of clear on this here, and if I really wanted that luster to come out, I could let this cure overnight, and I could go ahead and wet sand this with 400 grit, and I could put about 2 or 3 more coats on it, and I tell you what, man, the luster would be unbelievable. But I think this is going to be, you know, more than enough what we're trying to go for, guys. So like I said, this was a 2-day video. We got it done. the bed is going to look really sweet and stuff. And this is a really cheap, cost-efficient way that you can build your bed as well for your classic truck. So anyway, guys, thanks again for hanging out with me. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And hey, like I tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.